Every developer running AI coding agents have the same problem. The agent writes code, the agent pushes the code, but nobody knows if the code actually works until a user hits a broken page. I'm Afshal and I'm building AgentDesk to close that loop. Now, I've been working on Cloud Task, which is a project, and I've been working on the navigation features of it. Now, let's push the navigation update to GitHub. Every push my agent makes, I get a toast notification and a confirmation here to wait for deployment to finish before running the TinyFish to check the deployment. Now let's go to GitHub tab to fetch all the pull requests that our project has. Here, as you can see, Cloud has created a branch. We can create a branch that we were working on. So this is made using Composio API, and as you can see, you can create all of them in just under 2 seconds. Now let's create the pull request. And now AI polish, this is done by Fireworks AI. So they made this simple description into a description with a project context. Now that we have this, now let's create the pull request. As you can see here, the CI check is pending, so let's wait for it. The CI is passing now. Let's go ahead to merge the pull request. This is a merge from the fixed branch to the main branch. Let's confirm the merge. This merge goes through Composio, and now we are waiting for Bursar build and the CI to pass. Now since we are getting a live run here, we don't even have to navigate to GitHub to see what's happening. Now the merge went through successfully, production redeploys, and because of a commit reached main, AgentDesk prompts us to check deployment automatically. Now let's go ahead and start the deployment. So this is TinyFish, and TinyFish is navigating a real browser, not just a health check. A blank page returns 200 and a broken redirect returns a 302, and the only way to know if an app actually works is to manually navigate every page like how a user would. Also, all these checks that were done can also be alerted to my team through Composio API via Slack. As you can see here, Slack gave a list of all the checks that happened, and the latest check, which is that 10 of 11 links are broken. Now let's go ahead to fix these errors. Here we actually have each project has a AI chat. Now let's go ahead to Cloud Task AI project AI chat and just ask it why did the last deploy check fail. Now inside AgentDesk, I can talk to the same Claude Code CLI as a sub-process, and this is already loaded with the failure, the diagnosis, and the project context. Now let's ask our AI chat to fix all of them. So in my AI chat, every edit and every shell command asks for permission, and the agents can't read my env file, my keys, or anything that looks like a secret, even if I tell it to. Now we can ask it to push to GitHub this branch. Here's a confirmation that the branch has been pushed. So now I did the same GitHub steps again, and now that everything has been fixed, let's re-verify the deployment. I'll skip this to show the actual results. Now here TinyFish has returned the result and all links are working. Now next, one more thing is DevOps is a real macOS OAuth integration, and I want to know if signing with Google actually works end-to-end, not just whether the page returns 200. So let's start the authentication check for DevOps. Here we can see the whole loop process that's happening. So a curl can't click a button and a health check can't see a redirect loop. This kind of check is only possible because TinyFish exists. And this kind of check only works in a real browser. A curl can't do it, and a headless Chromium can't do it. TinyFish is what makes AgentDesk possible. Now I'll show you the traction that AgentDesk gained. So nearly 14,000 impressions and over 5,000 people watched the demo. Then also Jason Cho, founder of Super Design, publicly named AgentDesk as one of his 3 favorite Phase 2 Accelerator projects. Not a comment on my post, his post on his account unprompted. AgentDesk is a native macOS app Every other team in the cohort builds for the web. I built for the desktop because that's where Claude Code actually runs. Okay, so I built it because I needed it, and every developer running agents will need it next in the near future. Agents ship and AgentDesk verifies. That's what I want to build with you. Thank you.